Porsche. Altogether, we're the number 7, I think, in the automotive rank. So supporting the hydro-mobility from Porsche perspective, electronics and lighting, but we've got a couple of joint ventures as well, like Hella Goodman Solution, diagnostic tools, Hella Packard, brake systems, and pads. So Hella has been always visionary, especially around the lighting, work lamps, beacons. So we are quite strong. And lighting actually it impacts your mood as well. It gives you the energy, so you can feel a different ambience here because it's so bright. Powered by obviously LED lights.
That's why I'm lighting.
Yeah. I think supply chain definitely has been a major challenge. I think, and for Australian car park, because it's kind of a very different car park, mixed of Euro, Asian, US, the complexity of car park and parts that are relevant to this car park and range that you need to carry to service this industry is quite a challenge. Yeah, it's complex. I think the most complex car park is New Zealand first. We're kind of there as well. So yeah, and kind of transferring that knowledge to the workshops in terms of, alright, for this product, for this vehicle, what are all the relevant componentry. So that, again, it requires that digital innovation that we've got now, some players that provide that knowledge from OEMs to also workshops and in the aftermarket. And that's quite a challenge because in many cases OEMs do not share that knowledge with the workshops as well. So that's quite a challenge. I think they want to hold that knowledge to their own workshops, not the rest of the market workshops. So data sharing is really imperative, it's important, and I think also there is a shift in the vehicle technology, so lots of upskilling, new skilling, electrification, people from the mechanics to auto electricians. Now we need